heard you out there. What are you saying? Well, if I'm going to come in, you better talk then. What you got to say here? Sam? All right, let's hear you. Okay, what else? What else do you have to tell me? What you got to say, Sam? Let me hear you. Miss Sam. Look at her eyes. She does that when she wants attention. She closes those eyes. Don't you, Miss Sam? Yeah, you keep them shut because you want attention. You're not sleeping. Let me hear you, Miss Sam. Okay. Are you all right? Makes me laugh. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to pet you. Give you a little more attention than you already had this morning. Yeah, what'd you say, Miss Sam? What? Okay. What else you have? What else? Come on, talk to us. Okay. Are you cleaning yourself, Miss Sam? Are you able to get it? Are you doing good cleaning? Huh? You doing good, aren't you? Well, yeah. Tell them. What else? Come here, Sam. Show them what you got there, Jamie. Is that your new toy? You're trying to see the string instead. Show them what you're doing. Yeah, that's it. Show them. Keep showing them. Oh, there. Now you're going to chew on a stick now. Now it's a stick. Show. Oh, you silly cat. He's a good boy, James. Good boy. Oh, look what you have under there. Plastic tab. A little toy. You have fun in there, Jamie? Let's see what you're doing. Dream. Look how that paw's moving. Little Jamie's dreaming. Oh, little Jamie's dreaming. Watch your back. Oh, Jamie, I'll wake you up. Oh, sorry, Jamie. I didn't mean to wake you up. Hi, Jamie. Go back to sleep. Okay, Jamie. I'm sorry, I left you alone. Oh, he's saying leave me alone. Okay, Jamie. Go back to sleep. Cute little boy. He's cute. He's cute. I love their paws. He's so cute. Alright, Jamie, go back to sleep. You're purring. Are you purring? I hear you close. I hear you purr. I hear you, Jamie. Jamie? Jamie, look here. Look over here. You're purring away, Jamie.